Are you ready to take your home entertainment experience to new heights? Because we're about to dive into the amazing features of the TCL 32S35732 class. First off, let's talk about that incredible full HD resolution. With 1080p clarity, you'll feel like you're right in the middle of the action. Every scene, every detail, every explosive moment is crystal clear. And with its impressive refresh rate, motion is silky smooth, so you can focus on the excitement unfolding before your eyes. But what really sets this TV apart from the rest? It's full-view edge-to-edge glass, that's what. No more bezels, no distractions, just an immersive viewing experience that wraps around your field of vision. Imagine watching your favorite show or playing a game with zero interruptions. It's pure bliss. And when it comes to gaming, this TV is ready to play. Its game mode adjusts picture settings for an optimized fast-response gaming experience. Say goodbye to lag and hello to lightning-fast reflexes. Your games will be faster, smoother, and more responsive than ever before. Plus, with its 1 millisecond response time, you'll feel like you're right in the midst of the action. But that's not all. This TV also comes equipped with easy voice control. Simply use voice commands to launch channels, turn power on/off, find movies, or switch inputs. And with support for popular voice assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Hey Google, you can control your TV from the comfort of your couch. And let's not forget about the streaming capabilities. With HDR10, HLG, and USB file formats, you can enjoy the latest releases in stunning high definition. Plus, Premium Audio Dolby Digital Plus will transport you to a world of immersive sound that'll leave you on the edge of your seat. Whether you're watching your favorite show or playing a game, this TV has got you covered. But what about customization? The TCL 32S35732 class also features 3 HDMI ports and 2 USB ports, perfect for hooking up your devices and enjoying uninterrupted entertainment. And with its sleek and slim design, it's the perfect addition to any living room. So, how does this TV measure up in terms of performance? With a bright and vibrant 720Hz refresh rate, you'll experience motion that's faster than ever before. Plus, its impressive brightness rating ensures that even on sunny days, you can enjoy an immersive viewing experience without distractions. And don't worry about the price. This TV is an absolute steal. With its cutting-edge features and crystal-clear picture quality, it's a must-have for any home entertainment enthusiast. So why wait? Get ready to elevate your viewing experience and take your entertainment game to the next level with the TCL 32S35732 class. But that's not all. This TV also comes with a host of other features that'll make your life easier. For example, it has built-in Wi-Fi for seamless connectivity to your network. Plus, its energy-efficient design ensures that you're saving money on your electricity bill while enjoying top-notch entertainment. So what are you waiting for? The TCL 32S35732 class is ready to revolutionize your home entertainment experience. Order now and discover a whole new world of immersive fun.